name is Michael Going. I'm a sales trader here at ETX Capital, and this is the ETX Capital Morning Market Bite. Asian equities had mixed results on Tuesday after commodity prices languished in the wake of China's soft growth data and dampened risk sentiment, with the Hang Seng down 0.88% at a level of 22,874 spot 48, and the Shanghai Composite trading at 3,400.93, up 0.43%. The Nikkei 225 trading up at 0.42% at a level of 18,207 spot 15. Over to US indices, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 14.57 points, or 0.082%, to 17,230 spot 54. The S&P 500 gained 0.55 points, or 0.03% to be exact, leaving it at 2,033 spot 66, and the Nasdaq Composite added 18.78 points, or 0.38% to be 4,905 spot 47. The FTSE seen to open flat, and the DAX down just 6 points. Meanwhile, in foreign exchange related trading, the common currency was little changed at 1.334 after reaching a 10-day trough of 1.1306. The Canadian dollar weakened at 0.2% to 1.3039 after slumping 0.9% off the back of falling commodity prices and the election of a new Liberal government. Cable is currently trading at a level of 1.54767, an increase of 0.05%. Now for commodities. 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange lost 0.3% to $5,185.50 a metric ton after shedding 1.4% overnight. Brent crude oil crawled up 0.4% to $48.82 a barrel on the short covering of after sinking 3% overnight as China's latest data added to concerns over global growth. Gold is currently trading down 50 cents at a level of $1,172.30. Now for the equity news. Petropavlovsk, Russia's focused gold miner Petropavlovsk, said on Tuesday its third quarter gold production fell 24% year on year to 114,500 troy ounces as it focused on mining with the highest possible profit margin. The shares are currently trading down at 6.22, which is down 0.32%. For Barclays, British Bank Barclays PLC, and US Bank Wachovia, now part of Wells Fargo & Co., will play a combined $378 million to resolve claims over toxic mortgage-backed securities sold to now failed credit unions. The US credit union regulator said on Monday. Shares trading at 255.25, up 0.28%. Whitbread, Britain's Whitbread PLC, said that its first half profits jumped 13.8% as new opening and growing demand at both its Premier Inn hotels and Costa Coffee chain helped send sales up strongly. The share price is now 4,859 spot 9, up 2.64%. And finally, for the data today, at 11 a.m, the Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, is due to testify on the bank's bill before the Treasury Select Committee in London. Meanwhile, at 1:30 we have Canadian wholesales. A forecast figure of 0.2% is the consensus. Building permits are due out of the United States later on at the same time of 1:30 with a consensus of 1.16 million. And then finally at 4 p.m. we have the head of the Federal Reserve speaking, Janet Yellen. She's due to deliver some brief remarks in Washington later on. We do have some companies actually reporting on the equity front today. The companies reporting later on include Verizon, Harley-Davidson, Bank of New York Mellon, and Yahoo.